Yo, what's up, everybody? It's your boy Sean Be Nice back here in some more Heat Rock. And first off, I just want to say this: I fucking missed y'all. Excuse the curse word and all that, man, but I really did miss y'all. Miss y'all interacting in my videos. It's crazy. I was only gone a week, but it felt like way longer. You know what I mean? And yeah, so. Next week, I definitely got a whole bunch of more content dropping. This week's a little bit of a struggle. I'm getting back into the groove of things, getting things situated. So I'm just really here to kind of give you guys the tech news that you probably missed or that I didn't kind of cover within the previous week. So Galaxy Note 9, we're gonna start off with that first piece of tech news. Galaxy Note 9, it is rumored to have at least 8 gigabytes of RAM and a 4,000 milliamp hour battery. Now, y'all already know I don't really touch rumors too much, man, but I feel like if the Galaxy Note 9 comes out with a 4,000 milliamp hour battery, 8 gigabytes of RAM, and they say 512 gigabytes of onboard storage, I would say more so 128 gigabytes. I don't really see them giving us 512 gigabytes of storage. Just from a business perspective, that's going to hurt their bottom line too much. It just wouldn't make sense to do that, to give you 8 gigabytes of RAM and a 4,000 milliamp hour battery and 520 gigabytes of storage. Like, from a business perspective, that just doesn't make sense to do. And if they did it, the phone would cost too much. All right. So just keep that in the back of your mind. Take that with a grain of salt, whatever you want to do with it. Don't take it to the bank and cash it, though, because it might bounce. Next, moving on. Now we have YouTube Premium. YouTube Premium is officially out now for those who've been dying to try YouTube Music. I covered that on my channel. I'll make sure I link it down in the description below. But YouTube Premium is now out. The price did go up, but luckily for me, I was grandfathered in. So my original price is still $9.99, but if you want all the extra bells and whistles for offline music and things of that nature, then you got to pay $11.99. If you want the family deal like that, that went all the way up to $18. Now, that's a little bit too much for my blood, but if you got it, ball out. You know what I mean? Do it, you know what I'm saying? Do how you do it, get how you live, all right? Now, moving right along, you know what I'm saying? I'm trying to make sure I keep everything concise and keep it straight to the point. Google Podcast is now out. I've been using the app a little bit. If you guys want me to review it, if you guys are heavy into podcasts, so let me know. I have no problem reviewing the app. But from the interface, it looks pretty clean. It looks good. I definitely have no complaints with it. I like the way it looks. I'm happy that Google finally has its own standalone podcast app, but I think it'll make more sense if they try to integrate that with YouTube Music. You guys are pushing YouTube Music a lot. It'd be kind of nice to have everything in one station, one platform, like how they did with Google Play Music. So I don't know why they kind of separated the two, but personally, I did enjoy having podcasts connected to Google Play Music. I don't know why, not a big deal, but just something to kind of keep in mind. But I have been using YouTube Music. It has a long way to go. I like it, but yeah. But YouTube Premium is in full effect now, and thinking like it's released in like 17 countries. Okay. Last thing, moving on, is the Google Pixel XL 2. For those who are looking to buy this phone, it is now on sale. You can get this phone at Best Buy for $400 off. You can get the 64 gigabyte version for like $18 a month. Then you get the 128 gigabyte version for $22 a month. I'm gonna be real with y'all. That's the deal I'm even currently looking at. Even though as y'all all know, I have enough phones on my channel, man. Last thing I need is go get another bill and then get a Verizon phone. It's just, but for those who are interested in it, man, definitely go check that out. I'll make sure I link the Best Buy deal in the description below so you can check it out. And I'll make sure I list anything that we discuss, and the articles or whatever. I'll make sure I link everything in the description below. And there's one more thing before I forget. For those, my Samsung users, for those who are familiar with Good Lock is back and in full effect. It is Good Lock 2018. They finally released it to everyone. It's no longer just tied down to South Korea. I'll make sure I link that down in the description below. Good Lock is so dope. It changes the way your recent apps look. It can change the way your notification toggle look, your lock screen, one-handed mode, the new edge lighting system. I mean, Good Lock came with that fire. So I'm very happy to have this back on my phone. If you guys want an overview on it from my perspective, the real tech reviewer's perspective, and not just some type of canned talk that everyone else does. If y'all want the real, that heat rock, let me know in the description below, and I got y'all. So I think we caught up with everything, man. I hope that, I didn't bore you guys. That's why I had this Battlefield gameplay in the background, because Battlefield is cracking. I can't wait for Battlefield 5 and Call of Duty Black Ops 4. But yeah, man, I'm back to doing these videos. At least I'm going to try to get these videos out again, at least like once or twice a week, because I feel like it just kind of keep you guys on the up and up and everything. So please make sure you share this video, like this video, comment on this video, hashtag Heat Rock. It's your boy Sean Be Nice, and I'm out, man. Deuces.